Hello, I'm Officer Nights2. We are ready for the second part. Now, here are the extras. Let's suppose, playing cards, we know, there are 4 suits: clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Least we have an ace, and highest is the king. Like the ones you play solitaire in Microsoft Solitaire Collection, for which are special cards: ace, containing 1 suite, jack, 11th card after 10 suites, queen, 12th card, and king, 13th card. Others which are numbered from 2 to 10. So now we have 13 card of each suite. For the 4 suites, we get a total of 52 playing cards. In this activity, we will learn, with replacement, and without replacement. In with replacement, whenever we say probability with replacement, this implies that the events that are taken in the probability are completely independent of each other. 2 events are said to be independent only when the occurrence of one does not at all affect the occurrence of another. For example, when you draw 2 cards containing kings with replacement from a well-shuffled deck of 52 cards. Let's take both black kings. We have king of 4 different suites. To draw 2 cards of kings, we can write 4 by 52, times 4 by 52. With replacement, 1 card is replaced, we get 4 by 52, times 3 by 51. Or, you mean 1 by 13 times 1 by 17. On the other hand, without replacement. Sampling without replacement is a way to figure out probability without replacement. This dramatically changes the odds of choosing sample items. For example, same way we have to draw 2 cards of kings. We can write 4 by 52, times 4 by 52. Or 1 by 13 and 1 by 13. You can try drawing a rest of different cards by yourself. Let's see the last activity, gold rings and luminous colored spheres. We can do the same thing with or without replacement. Let's pick any color variations of a ring. Bronze ring, silver ring, gold ring, platinum ring, ruby ring, emerald ring, and sapphire ring. Luminous colored spheres can be bright yellow, bright green, bright red, bright blue, bright purple, and bright white. We now have 7 rings, and 6 spheres, a total of 13. For example, drawing 2 reds of the different item, its similarity is taken as follows: ruby ring, and bright red luminous colored sphere. You can try picking any color by yourself. So you now know how to apply basic concepts of probability. Like, comment, and subscribe now.